Okay guys, so in this video we're going to be replacing some RAM. I have 16 gigs of RAM, two 8 gig modules, and we're going to be replacing them in the MacBook Pro that I own. You're going to need a precision toolkit, star bit, and this I found at the dollar store. So we're going to be opening up the case. Okay, so we're going to be removing the lid, and take a look at the underbelly of my MacBook Pro. This is a 2011 model. Now there's the bank where the RAM is kept, and they rest on top of each other. So we're going to pretty much unlock and slide it out, unlatch it, and pull it right out. And you'll see the second memory bank right underneath it, and just do the same thing to remove it. It's going to be a little bit tough, but we get it out. Great. So now that they're removed, we can put them aside, and let's get the new 16 gigs modules, get them out of the pack. And we're simply just going to replace them one by one. Just slide it in and then press down to lock it in. Now with the Apple laptops, you have to make sure you get the exact same specs as specified in the manual. It is important. And putting 16 gigabytes of RAM in the laptop, that can only be done in 2011 models and up. So we're completed the installation. Now we're gonna replace the lid back onto the MacBook. So and now we're going to be turning it on. It is important to make sure everything is shut down, and from this point we're going to just fast forward and skip this loading part and get right to the system information. Okay, we're at the login screen. Just going to type in my super protective password, and we'll get to the desktop. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this, but just for the sake of this video, I don't know if you can tell, but there's 16 gigs of RAM now being detected at 1333 megahertz DDR3. Actually, you can see that 16 gigabytes. Yeah, there it is. Yep, confirmed. It's working. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully this helps you if you had any questions on replacing the RAM in your MacBook Pro. Every couple of years the instructions are different. It's a different set for the different laptop, but fundamentally everything is the same. You have to make sure that your computer supports the extra RAM, and I mean, it's just a matter of removing the lid and then replacing the modules underneath. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.